Really challenging markets to trade. This volatility, whipping around big ranges. This doesn't look big today. This looks like a narrow range compared to yesterday. But these are massive moves. You're talking about $3,000 on the Nasdaq, $3,000 down, $4,000 up, $3,000 down, $5,000 up. As far as the range is concerned, you also see another 4,000 down here, and then chop, and then lots of chopping in here. For example, this 5-minute bar right here has a range of $800 per contract, $40 in 5 minutes, and then the $800 the other way, and so it's just really wild. Oftentimes you see $1,000 moves in 5 minutes in the Nasdaq futures, so big ranges, and they don't look big next to this range. So down on the day, minus 2,100 on the 200K portfolio and minus 1,500 on the 50K portfolio. We were up on the day, good trades overnight, opened up, did pretty well, and then just this endless chop, extreme. The market should go down at this point. I thought it would go to Santa Claus rally up here, came all the way back to here. We said yesterday it's come back to this level 3 times. It ought to go down. It did. It gapped down, and then it closed higher than the open, and so it just chopped all day. Once again, it's just so propped up. But now we're in such a seasonal time of bullishness and liquidity that they just buy it regardless of anything. Liquidity is the number one thing that exists, and so I would anticipate higher prices next week during the Santa Claus rally. But the market, normal market in this environment, in this situation, without all this liquidity, would be going down pretty hard right now. And so just hard to trade this chop. And so choppy in a lot of markets, gold and soybeans as well. Let's look at soybeans. We had a nice winter going here, and it just rolled over on us. And so these trends don't seem to last for more than 30 seconds anymore lately. And every now and then, even if it only happens 20 or 30% of the time, you should get some trends that just take off and stick. These trends just aren't sticking right now. If you get a trend, it rolls over. It's still up on the day. Almost $300 per contract on both of these. So that was a highlight. Off of the highs, we had a much better trade going here. And a profit target on this one would have been at, I think, 1305. So couldn't get through 1300, and it just rolled over and gave back a lot of the gains, but still up on the day. So copper, we got long right here now in copper breakout. So you got to decide if you want to hold that over the weekend. Long from 42.83. Silver, no trades. Gold, nice trade in Asia Gold. This is another highlight here, up about 14.75 per contract. Gold reversal also hit its profit target, so we were looking good in gold on these two trades, and then gold reversal got short. That looked like a good trade, and then it reversed to long, and then it was stopped out. So this ended up down 600 on the day. This ended up 14.75 on the day, and SR counter trend 3 gold is long. These are 3 contract trades, so this is down about 300 on this trade, and so holding this long over the weekend is as well as copper. So I like that position. Natural gas, no trades on the day. Crude oil, no trades on the day. Nasdaq, EVP1. Once again, I thought the market should roll over. They propped it up all day. Just won't roll over. There's just too much dumb liquidity that wants to buy every 0.1% dip, and so we did take advantage of that type of price action on QS3. Nice trade on QS3 at the open. Got that opening surge, plus 875 there. So with those gold trades in QS3 and the initial soybeans trades, we were looking good on the 200K portfolio, and then just had some give back. ES trades, those were challenging as well. Gap continue in reverse, down 1,025 per contract. You see that. I thought that was a good entry. The market sold off. It looked like it was going to rally, close that gap, pull back. Looked like a good pullback entry for another move higher, but then the market just rolled over again, but not enough to give us any profits on our shorts. So, so we had tick count trend, also taking that kind of that same approach, buying that pullback like it would rally again. Nope. This looked like a good entry as well. Rolled over again, but not enough to give us profits on our short side. So we had Cobra 3, got short here, minus 625. It just boom, blasted. We had 5 winners in a row here recently in Cobra 3. The last 2 trades have been losers. This week has just been wild. I mean, look at the ranges on the E-mini S&P right here, and look at them here. They're extremely wild. Ever since FOMC, ever since this FOMC on Wednesday, the markets have been extremely wild. I think the markets are still processing what's about to happen with higher rates, and so it does not want to face that, and so it's still acting out of habit, buying the dip. 60-minute breakout, stopped out on the long side. Thought the market would rebound after it wouldn't sell off. 60-minute breakout short. I tested this one with the $1,000 stop loss, and it does better with the $600 stop loss, although this week it's been tough. We've had nice sell-offs this week, but they're so choppy, we get stopped out on all these trades. We had 3 losses here at the end of the day. This one was a nice winner right here, but these were stopped out. It seems like, I'm going to go back and test this as well, it seems like the best trades are not during the U.S. session, especially afternoon. Trying to short it in the afternoon from 12 to 3 is hard to do because the propping machine comes in and props up the market. So challenging day there, minus 900 per contract on 60-minute breakout short. So let's go over the portfolio calculator through yesterday. So through yesterday, we were at minus 9605 drawdown, still up about 19K on the month, hypothetically. And so pretty good month. Just the last couple of weeks have made it, the give back have made it feel, or the past week's give back has made it feel like it's not a good month. And so we had our last equity peak on December the 7th. And so since December the 7th, there's been 10 days since then. And that was on, I think that was on a Friday, December the 7th. No, that was on a Tuesday, December the 7th. We've had 7 trading days since then. And we've had 2 winners and 6 losers as of today. Let's see, 7th. We've had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There'll be 8 days, 8 trading days, and we'll have 2 winners and 6 losers. Yesterday, our real trades were up on the day, and so 3 on the real trading. But so 2 winning days and 6 losing days are challenging as we go into the end of the year. So looking for some end of the year distribution, Santa Claus rallies. I anticipate next week to be smooth trends, but this is basically near a drawdown alert. We're basically going to be in about $11,700 drawdown off the peaks of the month, and so we were doing really well on the 7th. We were up on the month. Let's see, what were we up by? We were up 28,000, almost 29,000, and we're giving back about 11,000 here. This is through yesterday, so this monthly will be down another 2,100. We'll be at 17.1 on the 200K, and on the 50K portfolio. So here's the 50K through yesterday. It will be at a $4,600 drawdown. We are sitting on about $700 of profit on the month, and so it's been a slow couple of months, November, December, and it was kind of that way last year and the year before that. And so the last 3 years, November, December, hasn't been that great. Looking forward to January through the first half of the year. It has some bigger months. January of last year was a down month, and then we had a nice 6-month stretch here. So I'm looking forward to the end of this year and the beginning of the new year. I'm also looking at some potential changes in the portfolio, and I will keep you updated on that. So that's the latest results. This is the portfolio calculator through Thursday, December the 16th, and then change that, and I will have through Friday the 17th updated over the weekend. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders.
We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.